Hi, it's Karen. It's day 33 of the stay-at-home order due to coronavirus, and I'm out of Clorox wipes, and the stores don't have any. Ah! But that's okay, because today I'm going to show you how to make your own bleach wipes. I'm calling them Caren's disinfecting wipes. What you need to mix this up is a cup of water, a teaspoon of bleach, some essential oils for a nice smell, and some old rags. So we're going to mix it up now. But before we do that, we're going to don our PPE, personal protection equipment. And just in case there's like a little splash. So 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of bleach, and about 6 drops of essential oil. I'm using lavender today. That smells nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's about 6. Let's give that a stir. Now you have to make a new bleach solution every day because bleach, when you dilute it, loses its disinfecting strength in 24 hours. Don't be mad at me that you have to do this every day. This is from the CDC. I got the bleach solution directions from the CDC's website. That's cdc.gov. The CDC recommends disinfecting high-touch surfaces at least once a day. Keys, wallets, phones, doorknobs, switches, handles, and glasses. Okay, we're going to pop the rag in there. Give that a little stir, cover it up, and that's it. It's important that you store this out of reach of children in a locked cabinet and label the contents of it too. You could just use a Sharpie. I'm a graphic designer, so I made my own label for it. You could just write, you know, the recipe, which I put on the back, on your container with a Sharpie. So I'll put a JPEG of the label in the show notes if you want to print that out for yourself. Okay, and there it is, your homemade bleach wipes ready to use. Thanks for watching my video. If you like what you see, click the subscribe button. We put out new videos every Saturday. Be safe, wash your hands, and disinfect everything. Bye. Clorox, call me.